Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram and today time to unboxing one more product and that product name is Beats Studio Wireless headphone. I'm purchasing this headphone from Amazon. Nowadays here Black Friday sale is going on and the original price of this headphone is so expensive, 349 euro, but during the Black Friday I purchased this headphone just only 168 euro, and just Monday I purchased this one and today I am receiving this headphone. The headphone features, this is up to 22 hours battery life. That one is really amazing. Wireless headphone, noise cancellation, noise reduction features inbuilt available in this Studio 3 wireless headphone. So we will see inside the box which types of product I am receiving, what is the advantage, what is disadvantage. We will see detailed information inside the box. So come to the here. I just use ball pen. Remove this packet. Packing is so rich and outstanding. The beats up. Change the way you hear sound. It's very, and that's it. Inside the box, one magic booklet. Okay, we'll see inside the booklet some stickers they are providing or not. Because yeah, they are providing the sticker about the speaker, and here some magic booklet is available if you buy the Apple Music. Because of Apple are purchasing the Beat company, I think so last 2 years ago. This is a charging cable. You can use C type charger adapter and use. This is a disadvantage because of this is like old charger socket and old charger input. If they are added here C port, so it's very easy to. And one more thing, they are providing input output cable for the join this one if you don't want use as a wireless, and that one is a fix quite good if you are using this one. So you can fix out here and carry like this. It's so quality. Now we can move on this other side and we can open our original product, and this one is really rich, and boom, this is our product. Oh, it's really quality product. You can just take a product in your hand and feel so rich and so lavish. So here you just click twice, you can receive the phone, increase the voice, decrease the voice. Some of the informations are available here, and here turn off, turn on button switches are available. Look at this, this is on now, and I just simply use my another mobile if I want to connect this cable on my laptop. So using this one I can very easily connect this one and use without wireless, but we can connect here. Now I just simply on this product and I search out here. Big power is really display here or not. So look at this here, Beats Studio 3. I just simply connect and boom, 49% battery is this. I just simply connect and now it's connected. Now I play one of the song here, Unstoppable. It's really outstanding. So now look at this, I just fix out and look like, and it's very comfortable. Now even I can't listen anything from outside. Now I play the song here. We can listen some Hindi song also. Some of my favorite, Diljit Dosanjh. And one more advantage this product, you can very easily flap also like this and reduce the size. It's quite interesting, and you can put it here and very easily carry wherever you want. Carry this product. So this is a simple unboxing video. Upcoming days I will make a review videos also after using 1 or 2 weeks around, but now I am very happy to purchase this product. If you want buy the headphone related and you have good budget, so definitely I can suggest you go with the Beats headphone, because of this is the original brand nowadays in Apple, and you know very well Apple brand. This is a very rich, lavish, and you can say as a Hindi full paisa vasool product. So now I'm very happy to purchase this one, and it's very affordable price, just only 168 euro. It's not so high, around Indian currency 12 to 14,000 in between. So it's quite good, very comfortable if you are if you are going to anywhere in traveling. So definitely I'm not using the scare case, because of I always use this one like this during the traveling, after traveling in office or other places. So it's really good product. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.